Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Komisi bentaban ya dai ki Paidbah na ginu ki reushim kabu ki bala ban pentut ya ka Shngaiñ ka Sorkar Jylla kala batha ya ka tanat Pulit bahkan Pynbiang ya ki Pulit ki ban perkhing ya ka jing Pahara ha ka Shngaiñ rakhi ya ka Republic Day ha ka Jylla Meghalaya barak away khnang bagi Paidbah ru kindup yolat ban shimenta pura ha ka ni ka Shngaiñ. Usumbut Menteri Ramba ke Jylla, ubak Presiden Tensong haka jingi keren bat ke Batesi TV, haka arfu sautarik ukalan kot arjar arpo. Ulai itu baka Sorkar kala dep ban batha, yau Director General of Police ke Jylla, baun batha pat ya ki Pulit haki district paper, bakin Pynbiang ya ke jing Pahara ya ki Paidbah, ki bakwa ban ya shimenta haka jing rakye, ya ka Republic Day, kaban salong haka arfun reutarik ukalan kot arjar arpo, haka ri India hi barok away, bat kuntupru haka ni ke Jylla Meghalaya.
Has been instructed to the DGP, and then DGP is on the job, and then the security is now well set. So my only request to all the citizens of Meghalaya is to come out and then celebrate the Republic Day on the 26th of this month freely, happily and properly too. No, it's not the question of security threat and all. But as I said to you, the security forces is on the job, be it the threat or no threat. But I'm telling you, instruction has been given to DGP to take care all of these issues. And I'm sure the celebration of Republic Day will be a grand success to all of us.